Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Viber account on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to deactivate your Viber account on your phone, first open up your Viber app on your phone, and after that guys, you can see the settings option available for us over here just above my notes. Tap on settings, and over here again you can see the account option available for us at the top of the list. Tap on that account and tap on deactivate account option available at the bottom of the list. You can spot your guys just below the change phone number. Tap on that deactivate account, and over here guys, you'll be required to enter your phone number with which you have signed up for a Viber account or currently using it. After entering your number, simply tap on the deactivate account option available over here, which is on the red, and the verification code will be sent to you on your mobile. And enter your code on the Viber, and after your Viber account will be deactivated. And there guys, this is how you deactivate your Viber account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.